I'm going to make some air fried chicken today using chicken thighs. These are the thighs I got from Costco. They come in a pack of 6, and then each pack comes with 3 thighs. Since I'm going to take out the air fryer, I'm going to make extra steak, but first we got to marinate the chicken thighs. First we're going to do some salt and pepper. Here's some salt. I'm going to do it by layer. So this is the first layer. I'm just going to put some salt. And pepper. I have a peppercorn melody, which I freshly grind. Just be liberal with it. Alright, this is the peppercorn. Next we could do some oyster sauce. These are oyster sauce. This is mushroom flavor. It's up to you. But oyster sauce or this kind of mushroom soy sauce, oyster sauce will work. Just add a teaspoon for each layer. Next, you could add some alcohol. I'm going to be using this Jim Beam double oak, twice barreled. It's a bourbon mix whiskey, and then I'm going to add maybe like 2 capful. Next, I'm going to do some soy sauce. I like to use this sweet soy sauce. I'll show you. Same thing. Maybe add a 2 spoonful. 1 and 2. Alright. I'm going to mix it up. Just so the chicken could use a spoon and just drizzle over the meat. And I'm gonna put the next layer. So this is how the first layer looked like. Use the sauce and I just drizzle over like that. Alright, I'm gonna do the next layer. Alright, here's the second layer. Just lay over the existing layer. And do the same. Salt, pepper, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. And before I put into a gallon storage bag, I like to use some of this barbecue powder that I got from the Chinese market. It's really flavorful, so just be liberal with it. It's kind of like a dry rub, so just be liberal. Just make sure you cover all the meat. And then I'm gonna put everything in the gallon bag. These are the gallon bags that I got. Right here, Ziploc. And I'm gonna put everything in. And trap I'm gonna leave everything in here, and then I'm gonna let out the air. Now everything's in the Ziploc bag, and then you can put it in the fridge for 3 hours or overnight, and then it'll be ready for air fry. You could leave the air out by using water, or you could just fold it and then leave as less air as possible inside the bag. Now it's tight, and then I just move the marinade around. You can flip the bag every hour if you like, or an hour and a half for the 3 hour, and it'll be ready. Alright, now is nighttime. It has been about 4 hours since I marinate the chicken, and now I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. First, we're gonna do roast for 7 minutes. Okay, I just put the chicken in, and let's do roast 7 minutes. And let's do 350. Hit start. There you go, it's gonna start. Now it's been 7 minutes. Now it is time to flip to the other side and continue to roast for 7 minutes. Now for the last cycle, we're gonna do fry for 7 minutes, and then we're gonna be flipping it again. So we're gonna do fry this time, and then for 7 minutes, and then it's gonna jump to 400 Fahrenheit and start. And this is how they will come out. Looks really nice. This is how they look when it's done. You can top off with some green onions and enjoy.